Namaste to all. Here I am with a small video on a small topic called calculation of interest on partners capital. Generally, partners will get interest on capital if agreement provides, that is partnership deed provides. So let us see. It's related one small question. It is based on the time period we are going to calculate how much period they have kept the capital intact, that much period they will get the interest. Suppose here is one question number 13. Rahul, Rohit and Karan started partnership business on 1st April 2013 with the capitals 20 lakhs, 18 lakhs and 16 lakhs respectively. This is Rahul capital, this is Rohit capital, this is Karan capital. The profit for the year ended 31st March amounted to 1,35,000 and partners drawings had been 50,000, 50,000 and 40,000. The profits are distributed among the partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. Calculate interest on capital at 10% per annum. This is their profit sharing ratio. That will be, this profit will be distributed among them, and their drawings are there. Assuming that partners capital are fixed in nature, they are having the capital 20 lakhs, 18 lakhs and 16 lakhs, and interest on capital is 5%. So we are going to calculate interest on capital here. Interest on capital into interest rate. For Rahul, his capital is 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 5%, that is 20 lakhs. If you do calculation into 5 by 100, so 0 0 get cancels, 0 0 get cancels, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. How many zeros left? 4 zeros left, so write 4 zeros. That's it. Capital for whom? Capital for Rahul 1 lakh. Similarly, we need to calculate for Rohit. I'll tell how to do that also. Okay. If it is 5%, okay, remove 0, 1 0. Okay. Then take half of 18. Half of 18 will be 9. 9 into 9, 9, and how many zeros left? 4 zeros left. Right, 4 zeros. 90,000 is interest. Sir, हमको ऐसे समझ में नहीं आया. Right, I'll do in your old fashion itself. What is your capital? Capital is 18 lakhs. So 18 lakhs okay, 18 lakhs into 5 by 100, right? This is what 5% means. 1 0 1 0, again here and here 0 get cancels. Okay. 5 8s are, how many zeros are there? 5 into 0 0 0, so 0 0 0, 3 zeros already there. 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40 na, so 0 and 4 carried. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 4 carried na, 9. So 90,000, that is your calculation. There is another method. I will tell in another method also to calculate interest. So let me do one more calculation for the Current I am calculating here. What is current capital? 16 lakhs. So 16 lakhs, I'll write 16 lakhs here. 16 lakhs into 5 by 100. Assume it is for 10%. For 10%, what we will do? We will deduct 10 here. That's it. Remaining will be the same. So if you get the calculation for 10%, you will easily will get the calculation for 5% also. Suppose instead of 5%, you assume it as 10%, boss. Simple. See here. Instead of 5%, you assume it as 10%. I am saying 10 by 100 means you will deduct 10 cancels. So 1,60,000. But it is for 10%. For 5%, we require for 5%. 5% means half of 10. 10 में से आधा 5 है ना, तो ये पूरा 1,60,000 फॉर 10%, बट वी नीड फॉर 5%. आधा करो इसका 80,000 हो जाएगा. सर हमको ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा. ओके, डू इट इन योर ओन वे. आपको जैसा समझ में आता वैसा ही करो. ओके, टेक इट एज 5 ओनली. ओके, टेक इट एज 5 ओनली. राइट देयर 5 and do the calculation. Do your calculation. ऐसे इससे पहले करते हैं. See, 0 get cancels. Next, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, 3 zeros. Okay, 5 6 30. 3 कैरी हो जाएगा. 3 बाजू में लिख लो कैरी. 5 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. So you got 80,000. This is how we need to do the interest calculation. If capitals are not changed, same capital, opening capital वैसे की वैसे है तो this is the capital, interest on capital at the end of the period. Okay, at the end of the period, if you are calculating interest for 1 year as on 31st March 2014, this is how we need to do. Okay, this is one answer. Next, when there will be change in the first capital, उनका capital change हो रहा. Okay, this is second type of question I am going to explain now. ये और एक तरीका है. See, there are two partners in question number 14. Sunflower Pincrose started partnership business on 1st April 2013 with capitals 2,50,000 and 1,50,000 respectively. This is one sunflowers and this is Pincrose. Okay, this is for sunflower 2,50,000. Okay, next what they are telling, see, they are saying that on October 1st 2013 they decided that the capitals, see, that their capitals should be रुपीज 2 lakhs. उनका कैपिटल कितना रहना है? 2,50,000 नहीं, 2 लाख रहना है. 1,50,000 नहीं, 2 लाख रहना है. They want to increase or decrease the capital. They just want their capital to be 2 lakhs. इससे पहले ज़्यादा था, अब कम कर दो. इससे पहले कम है, अब इंक्रीज करो. The necessary adjustments in the capitals are made by introducing or withdrawing the cash. Okay, अगर ज़्यादा है तो अब एक का 2,50,000 है तो 2 लाख अपने को कितना रहना है? 2 लाख रहना है. तो कितना कम करना? 50,000 ज़्यादा जो है वो निकाल लो, विथड्रॉ. और एक का कितना है? 1,50,000 है, लेकिन अपने को कितना चाहिए? हाउ मच वी रिक्वायर? 50,000 additional to get total 2 lakhs capital. So additional capital introduce हो जाएगा. Interest on capital is to be allowed 10%. At what rate? Interest on capital is at 10%. Calculate interest on capital as on 31st March 2014. यहाँ पे उनका कैपिटल पहले में कितना है 2,50,000 है, बाद में कितना हो जा रहा 2 लाख हो रहा. So for some period it is 2,50,000, some other period it is 2 lakhs. Period wise only we will calculate interest on capital because it is per annum. Okay, so let us see its calculation, how to do and other things. Okay, this is what the question says. So when they have started the business in April, so April 2013. If you want to write date also first. When books are closed 31st March 2014. Till this period we need to calculate interest 31st March 2014. अप्रैल से मार्च तक करना है. बीच में एक डेट दिए 1st October 2013. Take a line, this is time. So this is nothing but 1st October 2013. यहाँ से कैपिटल कितना रहना है 2 लाख रहना है. कितना रहना है 2 लाख रहना है ना. क्वेश्चन में वैसे ही बोले. See there, they want to, they have the capital should be 2 lakhs. उनका कैपिटल कितना रहना है 2 लाख रहना है. They decided that their capital should be 2 lakhs each. तो इससे पहले कितना था, उसमें अगर ज़्यादा है तो डिक्रीज कर लो, अगर कम है तो एडिशनली ब्रॉट यू विल ब्रॉट, दैट्स इट. एडिशनल कैपिटल लाओ, वो बात बता रहे हैं. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. सनफ्लावर का सनफ्लावर पहले कितना था 2,50,000, बाद में कितना हुआ 2 लाख. पिंक रोज पहले कितना था 1,50,000. इन्होंने 50,000 माइनस कर दिए तो 2 लाख हो गया. इन्होंने प्लस 50,000 हो जाएगा कितना 2 लाख. ये 2 हो गए. लेकिन अपने को क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट करना है इंटरेस्ट. वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. तो फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू अक्टूबर मीन्स 30th September. 1st October से पहले वाला दिन 30th September तक. Till that date, how much capital is having 2,50,000. What is number of months? How many number of months from April to April, May, June, July, August, September. So April 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 6 months period we need to calculate on 2,50,000. Remaining 6 months from October to March. October, November, अक्टूबर के बाद नवंबर ना, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. ये अक्टूबर ये इंटरेस्ट होगा 2 लाख के ऊपर. दी कैलकुलेशंस, लेट अस सी दी कैलकुलेशंस. That is what I will going to show you. So interest on capital, I have made calculations. Interest on capital as on 31st March 2014. 14. So particulars, one column, interest 1st April to 30th September. Next 1st October to 31st मार्च. ये दो पीरियड का क्या है, इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेशन है अपने पास, राइट. दिखाई दे रहा आपको, राइट. हियर वी गो विथ नाउ. सो टोटल फॉर सनफ्लावर पहले 6 महीने में, दिस इज 6 months, दिस इज अनदर 6 months, टोटल इंटरेस्ट. ओके. सो 2,50,000 इंटू 10/100 इंटू 6/12 करे तो 12,500 आ रहा. 2 lakhs इंटू 10/100 इंटू 6/12. सर 6/12 क्यों कर रहे हैं? 10% जो है वो पर एनम है, पूरे साल का है, मगर अपने को 6 months का चाहिए, क्योंकि ये 6 months में 2 लाख है, इससे पहले वाले 6 months में 2,50,000. वी आर हैविंग April to September 6 months period have taken. For remaining 6 months period, we are holding only 2 lakhs as capital. So 2 lakhs into 10/100 into 6/12. This is for remaining period. Okay. So 12,500 plus 10,000, total it is 22,500. Similarly, for pink rows, first 6 months pink rows holding 1,50,000, rate of interest 10%, that is 10/100, and period 6/12 7,500, and for remaining they have introduced additional capital 50,000, so it has become, they have decided from October we should have 2 lakhs as the capital. So 2 lakhs into 10/100 into 6/12, it is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 plus 7,500, 17,500. These are the answers. Okay, this is how we need to do. यहाँ पे एक R आ गया additionally. So यहाँ पे लिख, for first 6 months, that is April to 30th September, whatever capital is there for that 6 months, you need to calculate. And remaining period, you are having 2 lakhs each, 2 lakhs into 10% into 6/12 remaining period interest. Like that, we need to calculate the interest on capital periodically. Total rupees RS. Okay, hope you have understood. And this is Tulsiram. सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद.